So let's talk about these numbers with Mr. Santosh Sharma, CMD of Hindustan Copper. Mr. Sharma, good morning. Thank you for joining in on ET now. Let's start with volumes. Yes, I know FY19 volumes were highest ore production in 21 years. But if you could just talk about the volume growth in the fourth quarter, what have you delivered?
Volume in Q4, that was about 11.11 lakh ton as against 10.67 in last year Q4.
Can you also tell us what led to the higher volumes in Q4?
Fourth quarter, 4% higher production is there in fourth quarter, and we have been concentrating on higher production since the beginning. That's the result is a cumulative one. If we are 12%, we have achieved 12% higher production year to year basis, and 4% higher in quarter to quarter basis Q4.
All right. Did volumes also get a boost because of the entire Tuticorin smelter shutdown? I mean, did that benefit Hind Copper?
Actually, we cannot relate this directly to Vedanta closure, but definitely market deficit always helps the other companies. That's a basic fact.
And how are you looking at the demand for copper in India? What is the way forward likely to be?
Demand in India is to be growing and growing only. I am expecting that it will grow at the rate of 10%. Because so many schemes of government, as you are already aware, be it metro sector or electrical vehicle sector or infrastructure or housing, anything, all will help copper sector to grow. That is pakka. Even electrical and this renewable energy sector, solar energy and transmission of power, everything is going to aid to the increased demand of copper. There is no doubt about it.
Mr. Sharma, margins as well, the performance over there was stellar. It came in the range of 30% now. So roughly, if you could tell us what drove that and what were the average realizations?
In a simple language, I am telling you that gross profit per ton, if I talk in terms of gross profit per ton, that was to the tune of 74,676, let us say 75,000 per ton.
We understand that exports also saw very sharp surge. Can you tell us what were the triggers that sort of propelled that kind of a growth?
842 ton, this we have achieved, this maximum export, and our sale, whatever we do, it is not only limited to the domestic buyers. We are out with open tender, and the kind of product we sell, that depends on the market dynamics, which selling cathode will be better, or concentrate sale will be better, or rod sale will be better, depends on so many things like premium in the refined copper market, what is the premium, kind of premium, then what is the international TCRC, what is the availability of copper in market as such at international level or domestic level. All these things contribute to our decision of selling a particular product. And which product will fetch you the maximum revenue, it depends on the that particular time, at that particular time, what is the kind of realization we are going to have for the company. This time we were focused on sale of MIC because that was a better proposition for us, for the company, and most of the concentrate sale was to the international parties, foreign parties. That is why our this export has come to this level, maximum.
What's the status on the Malajkhand mine? I mean, when I know it will commence in FY20, but when exactly and what capacity will it operate at in the beginning?
Malajkhand copper project, we are going to start production from this year only. We have already reached to that level, level 1 so called technically, and we are geared up to start production. We have already finalized the contract also, and maybe within 15 days or 30 days this contract will be awarded to the winning party, this production contract.
Thank you so much.
It is expected to contribute to the tune of 5 lakh ton in this year.
Okay, great chatting with you. Thank you so much for joining us and helping us understand, the details of your performance in the previous quarter.